From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your evening update.
Good evening, everyone. Hoping to have a great Saturday. We're kind of wrapping up the first half of the weekend. You know, many of us, of course, along the coast, kind of seeing those gray skies throughout the day. This is looking out at Crescent City up to the north, just kind of those low clouds and some fog out there throughout the day. Not to mention north of Trinidad at Elk Country here. There you can see a lot of the low clouds that we're seeing there as well. So just kind of one of those days we typically see around here. Now, we do expect more mountain showers and thunderstorms here, especially in Trinity County. I think the chances for inland, say, for example, northeastern Humboldt County or even Del Norte County, the chances are going to be a bit slimmer there. So I've actually taken the chances out for both Sunday and Monday, but Trinity County still has that chance. There's also going to be a big drop in our temperatures here as we go, especially toward the middle and latter part of next week, with the potential for some more rain possibly by the time we get into Thursday. But quite honestly, I think most of that will be to the east of us, even most likely even east of Trinity County. It all depends on where the storm system decides to kind of park itself, which we'll get into a little bit later here. But take a look at our forecast smoke. And of course, it's the vicinity of the fires where we're seeing most of that smoke, but it has certainly been impacting Siskiyou County and will impact Siskiyou County again for your Sunday, not to mention Modoc County as well. We're seeing that haze also in Trinity County and many parts of northern Humboldt County and Del Norte County as well. As we go into Sunday afternoon, it kind of breaks up, or should we say retreats a little bit, but another plume of smoke makes its way into western Siskiyou County. Not as bad, looks like, for Trinity County or even northeastern portions of Humboldt County as well. That does push southward, though, as we go into Monday morning. So it looks like a bit of haze out in eastern Humboldt and into northwestern portions of Trinity County as well, and not to mention western Siskiyou County. All right, let's take a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. And for the inland areas, we do have, again, a little bit of that haze, otherwise mainly sunny skies. And for the coast, mostly cloudy skies again here for your Sunday. And for Trinity County, we've got mainly clear skies. There's that chance for showers and thunderstorms here for many of us in Trinity County. But I think it's going to be few and far between and not as active as it was today. Now there you can see a swirling area of low pressure right here. You'll notice there's just not a whole lot to it. That's because it's been fairly dry out there. This rust color is very dry air. But a lot of times these storm systems, you can see the area of low pressure, they'll find any available moisture, squeeze it out, and that's essentially what we saw out there for today. It squeezed out what limited amounts of moisture we had and produced the showers and thunderstorms that we did see this afternoon. And you can see just how active it was in Trinity County with plenty of lightning strikes. That's all moving northward, and I think that that will also impact parts of western Siskiyou County later this evening and into tonight. There's also that red flag warning in effect until 8 o'clock tonight because of the potential for more lightning strikes, and dry lightning will be one of the bigger concerns. You'll notice it does include eastern portions of Humboldt County, but quite honestly, I don't think Humboldt County is really going to be a part of this thunderstorm activity that we're going to see. By 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock tonight, you can see we'll still see some of those showers, but by 9 and 10 o'clock tonight, it's all pretty much gone. Now, as we go into Sunday, looks like we can see another round of thunderstorms developing in western Siskiyou County, a little bit of activity making its way into parts of Trinity County as well. But you'll notice it's not as widespread as what we saw out there today. It dries out by Sunday night. We take you into Monday, and looks like another round of thunderstorms, especially in northern Trinity County, not to mention Siskiyou County. But notice Del Norte and Humboldt counties will dodge this activity here. Looks like by Monday night, that activity will be gone, even for Trinity County. Long range, it's dry again for Tuesday, Wednesday, but look at this. By Thursday, we are seeing some activity kind of coming into the higher elevations. Now, could this make its way into Trinity County? I think the chances are slim for now, but we're going to have to kind of watch that closely depending on where the low pressure system goes. This storm system looks pretty impressive. As of right now, long range forecast models aren't really pushing this on through. Now, we are looking at a week from now. So next weekend, this is what it looks like here as we go into that next Sunday. So overall, it looks like it's going to be fairly dry for Northern California. Here's a look at your temperature trend. Temperatures are dropping, and quite that big drop by the end of the week. and into next weekend. Your wave heights, well, you can see they're actually going up a little bit for your Sunday, between 7 and possibly upwards of 8 feet. Here's a marine forecast for your Sunday. Southwest winds at 5 to 10 knots, waves from the northwest at 4 feet at 9 seconds. Your low tide at 7:45 tomorrow morning, and your high tide at 2:16 in the afternoon, and no advisories for the coast. Here's what it looks like for tonight. Temperatures in the 50s for Trinity County, and in the upper 50s, low 60s here for the inland areas, mid 50s out along the coast. And for tomorrow, potential for showers and thunderstorms here in Trinity County. Elsewhere, it will be dry. Garberville dry, Willow Creek, Hoopa most likely dry, and of course dry for the coast with temperatures there in the low to mid 60s. Not to mention mostly cloudy skies. Now your 7-day outlook is showing the first day of fall. It will be dry for pretty much everyone, including Hoopa and most likely even Weaverville, with temperatures down into the 70s. So yes, you can see these temperatures are dropping as we take you through next week into next weekend. We'll look at your 7-day outlook for Eureka. Also looking at dry conditions, temperatures in the low to mid 60s. First day of fall is Friday. However, it actually won't occur until Friday night. So actually your first full day of fall will be on Saturday.